In this required practical video, we'll look at current voltage graphs, part of your IGCSE Physics course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, describe how to obtain an IV graph. Second, recognise the graphs for a resistor, a lamp and a diode. And third, explain the shapes. To get an IV graph, you set up the component with an ammeter in series and a voltmeter across it, plus a variable resistor. You change the variable resistor to vary the current, and at each setting you record the current from the ammeter and the voltage from the voltmeter. Then you plot current on the vertical axis against voltage on the horizontal axis. The shape of the graph depends on the component. A fixed resistor gives a straight line through the origin. Current is proportional to voltage. It's ohmic. A filament lamp gives an S-shaped curve that gets shallower. As more current flows, the filament heats up, its resistance rises, and the current increases less steeply. And a diode only lets current flow one way, almost nothing in reverse, then rising sharply once it switches on in the forward direction. So how do we read them? A straight line through the origin means constant resistance, an ohmic conductor. A curve that gets shallower means the resistance is increasing, like the heating filament lamp. In general, a steeper line means a lower resistance, more current for each volt. And you can always find the resistance at any point by dividing the voltage by the current at that point. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What is varied to change the current in this experiment? Question 2. What shape is the IV graph for a fixed resistor? Question 3. Why does the filament lamp's graph curve? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. A variable resistor. 2. A straight line through the origin. 3. As current flows, the filament heats up and its resistance increases. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.